we are the CaliBros. Today is going to be our Thanksgiving video, and we are at our grandparents' awesome farm, and we are going to show you all the chores. We're going to show you what we do to prepare for our Thanksgiving dinner. It's going to be awesome.
There's a ton of things at the farm, and there's
we
got
tree houses, goats, chickens, arts, saunas.
Beehives.
Yeah, we have bees.
Yeah, it's
we
really
have a sauna too.
Sauna too. That was amazing.
And sauna.
And sauna.
So let's get right into it.
And we have a lot of paintings, as you can see. Here is one of my masterpiece right there. It's a teddy bear.
This is some of the beautiful arts our family has created over the years.
Shout out to Mimi.
Some of my favorites are this one.
That's yours.
This one. And this one, all made by me.
Our grandpa made this fountain.
Right here is a grapefruit tree. The farm has a lot of amazing plants. Like
this
there.
apple tree.
Yes, we have lots of apple trees and cherry trees and pomegranates.
We
and
don't
right there
have
is a hybrid orange and lemon tree mixed in one. Half of the tree grows lemons, half of it grows oranges.
These are sun lamps.
We have got some beautiful grapevines growing over. This is called the chicken garden. It's right next to the chicken coop. Almost everything you see here, the walls, all of the buildings, all of the grapevine holders, even this chicken coop, they were all made by my awesome grandpa. We call him Poppy. He is super crafty.
Let's go in.
How many? 2 beautiful eggs.
Perfect.
That's a good girl.
Wow, it's like a fan.
Okay, I'm gonna set you down.
Tempting.
A few moments later.
This is my favorite king.
I thought you locked us up.
And all these chickens are girls. If there was one male, they would let
eggs with chickens in them. We don't have a rooster because it would disturb the neighbors a lot because they're very loud. Right here we have the chicken wire. We have had many.
I forgot to put
chicken coops over the years, but this is the one we are currently using. We have some chickens over here. That gold one is named Queen. This is the chicken wire area where the chickens are growing.
Has a lot of stuff like chickens, goats, and also bees. There's so much in the gardens, like growing like chive, onions, basil, mint, anything you can really imagine. It's just amazing how grandparents just made this. It's insane. Literally.
Oh. Sorry. Before COVID hits, they had a huge market. We had sold the best cookies. Yeah, they had best cookies. Pastry people. This is where we would hold it. It was really awesome.
Here's the pomegranate.
Here is a mulberry tree too. And if you guys were wondering, the reason they put these bags over the pomegranates is because where we live, there's a ton of quail, and they will just peck them open and eat them. They have a skincare company
for like sprays and stuff like that.
Awesome stuff. Oh. They have face calming sprays. It's amazing. They feel really good. They make soap, and they make all sorts of stuff. It's awesome.
So cool too. Yeah. She showed me the process, and it's really cool.
In here is where they store a lot of the flowers. And everything they use to make their things is grown on this farm. So awesome.
Wow,
here are some of the soap cans. As you can see, these are really pretty.
Oh, here's
those feel really nice.
Some black charter in there.
Here's some of the coffee cups they sell. Right here is another fountain. Currently the fountain is actually not working.
And there's koi.
But if you look closely, they have koi and mosquito fish in here. They help clean the farm out, and they eat the annoying bugs that fly by. Right here is one of the most beautiful gardens. It's the French garden. Another outside eating place, if you look
Thanks
to the
to
left.
tables too.
A very old piano.
He's gonna stick to it.
We will show you guys some of the plants. Some flowers, French lavender, I believe.
That is the
Oh,
carrot.
you can keep grape garden. We call this
Grape garden.
overhang.
Big
Unfortunately, a lot of the grapes that they grow here
Don't make it.
grow. The turquoise garden. It is one of the most beautiful gardens. Kind of funny, they named it after these beautiful turquoise doors, however, that don't actually work. A lot of this garden is not in use currently, but we are growing some things like this. Right here is a mulberry tree. You guys definitely need to try mulberry. They're the most sweet and amazing
Delicious.
things ever. So this
Here are
is
some tomatoes.
Here are some
tomatoes.
amazing outdoor pizza ovens. We have had many great pizzas with these. We enter here.
This is.
Enter the do not enter sign. Just kidding. We're allowed to. Enter, walk along.
Here are the baby goats.
Here are some of the most adorable ghosts you will ever meet. Right
This
here is a
is-
sweet girl. Her name is Hazel.
She's the oldest.
Yes, she is one of the oldest. Right here we have Chloe. She is one of the youngest.
And the
actually.
nicest.
She is a little bit older than Evelyn, who is right there with the blue collar.
This
the
is
smaller
Evelyn
one.
right here.
And right here is
It's
Cherry.
I named this girl.
Yes.
But she's still
Both
scared
of
me.
these two are a little skittish.
Cherry's the mother of Evelyn.
Yes. It's time for the most cute person of all.
Oh,
Winnie, come here. Winnie is the guard dog of the goats. She protects them from bobcats, and she's our pride and joy. You're such a sweet girl. Hi.
This is
I think they want us to
Chloe.
feed them.
Oh. She's really honestly the nicest.
These
Goats have been mated with a boy goat named Max. He came here yesterday, and they got mated. They can't be milked until April. We're gonna have babies processing right now. Every single one of them. Evelyn, Cherry, Hazel, and especially Chloe. Chloe is really nice, and she's the most curious. She likes to sniff everything, even sticks. Yeah. They poo wherever they want to poo, yeah. Where the goats get milked, which currently they are not going to get milked because they've already been mated. This is where the goats climb
The
up.
goats hop up. Vivian will kindly demonstrate. And you lock their necks in place while we milk them. And yeah, we'll just.
Oh, they milk me! Okay, I'm joking. That's just very much a joke. Wait, can you help me? Ah, joke's on you.
No! No! Cursing human hands. Huh? Get in there. Oh, it's great.
Oh!
But have locked us in, dude. We have become prisoners. She's not filming anything. You're not gonna put this on.